Hello, I'm Dan Hirschfeld, and I'm the president of Genesis Rehab Services. I'm here at one of our over 800 locations, which we call gyms, to talk about how GRS has become the premier rehab provider, as well as a remarkable place to work. To me, our success is a reflection of our culture, which is rooted in a patient-centered, employee-focused philosophy. GRS is the premier provider of physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, and wellness services in the long-term care arena. We are one of the fastest growing rehab companies in the nation, serving over 20,000 patients daily in 23 states and the District of Columbia. Our employees work in skilled nursing centers, retirement communities, hospitals, home health agencies, and outpatient clinics. Today, GRS employs over 7,000 therapists, licensed assistants, and other caring professionals. Because of our tremendous growth, we are adding over 1,200 jobs each year. Our continued expansion into new markets has afforded our employees with opportunities to advance their career. Last year alone, we had an 81% internal promotion rate.
I want to go into management someday, and even though I'm only 3 years into the program, they're already putting me on the program manager and training track, which no other company has been able to promise me.
GRS is committed to being patient-centered. For us, that means all work is centered around the patient. We serve a dynamic patient population in the long-term care setting. Today, the face of long-term care is changing. The patients that were treated in the hospital are now being discharged into nursing homes. We're seeing a much more medically complex patient in the nursing homes. The average age is 68 years old, and they're coming in with a lot of critical clinical needs. We have patients that come in that are unable to swallow. They're on a feeding tube. With our speech therapist, we're able to get them so they can swallow and eat solid food again. We have patients that they thought would never be able to walk again through physical and occupational therapy are now able to walk. We have grandparents who are now able to hold their grandchildren. We have people who never thought they'd be able to live independently again, able to be discharged from the nursing home and go back home. It's a great time to work for Genesis Rehab.
Our patients are our focal point. Our job is to deliver the best clinical and rehabilitation care to our residents. Genesis is the first company I've worked for in healthcare where the nursing department and rehabilitation department both work together so well. And I think it's based on the fact that we're so patient-focused, and our mission of our company is to care for the resident.
The dynamic patient population that we service has challenged us to make sure that we have the equipment to meet their needs. We now have flat-screen TVs, wireless internet in their rooms, separate gyms, separate modalities, and also we've incorporated Nintendo Wii into the therapy sessions. Our therapists work in more than 800 long-term care facilities throughout the country, and we may have as few as 2 therapists at a location or as many as 30. Working in this industry as a contract rehab provider in our customer buildings presents unique challenges. It is my job to remove the barriers to providing quality care so that our employees can spend their time doing what they love, spending one-on-one time with their patients.
In this geriatric population, as opposed to working in the outpatient population, which is where I came from, you do get a lot more time to spend one-on-one time with the patients, and that's what I like.
That is why we've invested approximately $7 million to bring the best clinical technology to our gyms. Instead of spending hours documenting the patient charts, our therapists are equipped with state-of-the-art electronic documentation and billing systems. They also take advantage of access to online education and tools. Because of our geographically dispersed workforce, we've come to rely on non-traditional modes of communication beyond the email, the intranet, and the internet that we use every day. For example, we use online tools such as Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to engage current and prospective employees. We take the concept of open door policy to the next level. I even send out daily tweets on Twitter to keep all of our employees in the know. Speaking of our employees, let me tell you about how we engage and retain our diverse workforce in such a competitive industry. Through employee surveys, an online suggestion box, and lunches with the president, we've created a highly competitive benefit package to meet the diverse needs of our employees and their families, and yes, even their pets. This year, we are offering pet insurance. Other notable enhancements include In Your Community, Beyond Work, Genesis Employee Foundation, sick, vacation buyback, retention bonuses, recognition programs, tuition assistance and loan repayment programs, continuing education assistance, access to online learning, mentoring opportunities, retirement plan, flexible work schedules, additional programs exclusively for our new parents, weekly pay, career opportunities on clinical and operational tracks.
I chose Genesis as a company because they have a competitive salary, more benefits for me, and they give you more of an opportunity to widen your horizon for your profession.
We believe that passionate employees who enjoy their work environment and their coworkers contribute to better outcomes for our patients. With this in mind, we encourage creativity when it comes to meetings and employee events. Some of the fun events that I've attended include pedometer challenges, ice cream socials, dinner cruises, bowling parties, and even wilderness courses.
I really love the people that I work with here, from the team that I work with to any of the clinical specialists or the program managers. Everybody's very supportive at Genesis.
Our patient-centered, employee-focused culture is what makes us a leader in the industry. We are admired and respected by our employees as well as our competitors, and we are proud to say that we have one of the lowest turnover rates in the industry. Our business continues to grow because of the high-caliber employee that we attract and the quality of care we deliver. In the time since I've been president, we've never had a layoff, and in fact, our plan is to continue new job opportunities for 100-plus professionals on a monthly basis. I'm truly proud of our employees and the environment we have created to support them. Thanks for watching.